Is it the light of God that distinguishes us humans and makes us more godlike than chimpanzee and other primates? Genetically, humans are 99.9% the same as a chimp. Yet the complexity and the size of our brains is what distinguishes humans from chimpanzees. It's this light that enters through the retinas of our eyes, through the water in our neurons, or brain cells, that is called a neural liquid. The consistency and amount of this liquid varies in people, and is the conductor of the light God had put in us humans. When humans can manufacture and consciously develop this neural liquid within ourselves, this is when humanity will become more godlike, and we will collectively possess enough of the light God intended for us to make heaven here on earth, starting within our neurons and emanating through all the plants and animals God created here on earth that we come in contact with. It is us that has to spread the light by making it. This would mean the intelligence of God's life would be gathered in all life, not only in ourselves, but everything that has life here on earth. And humans are the co-creators of this conductor of light, which enable humans to communicate telepathically. We'd become friends with wildlife. We would be able to communicate and cooperate with each other because we will both have a higher consciousness level. This is like the saying we will possess more neural liquid. Today, mankind has the ability to utilize technology in computers, machines, and robots that are utilized to replace humans working in businesses, farms, and factories. The next wave of technological advancement is in the area of nanotechnology, the marriage of liquid crystal and nanoparticles of gold. This is the same composition as our body's neurons, and the neural liquid that conducts the various light frequencies, which enables humans to remember or make conscious decisions. The question I would like humanity to ponder is, who should this life-enhancing liquid be made available to? Should it be only through a few corporations and governments, or should this liquid be utilized freely in all of God's creations for the benefit of all? Nanotechnology is the study of light waves on a very small scale. Believing the light radiating from the sun out into the galaxy is essentially the same as the light emitted from our neurons out into the galaxy of orbits surrounding each neuron. The study of these light waves is essentially the study of God's light within our universe, and in my mind should not be in any one person's control or any one neuron's control. When you, as a child of God, can increase the amount of light traveling through your neurons, you can thereby increase the conductance of God's light within you. When we can collectively increase this light by producing it and consuming it through this neural liquid, we as a society can act as one, as this light of God freely travels between us. The same way this light travels between our neurons and neural pathways for the common good of our body, we as a society will act as one. We will know how to make this world a better place. On a cellular level, the mouth of each neural cell is called the aqua orin and is 1 nanometer in diameter, or biblically speaking, the camel passing through the eye of the needle at light speed. This is how accurately light flows through our neural pathways, and is how accurate we must make the light flow through our plumbing systems. We co-create in tax-free church communities dedicated to creating health and internal happiness with their parishioners. Would you believe as a baby the consistency of this neural liquid is 95% water? And as we age, the light flowing through this neural liquid diminishes as the percentage of water decreases until the age we die, when there is only 20-30% of this water still inside the neuron. Would you believe I started to make or brew my own tap water in an attempt to heal myself, a sort of cleansing? I found I gained consciousness. I learned how to love more, and I was able to be stronger in my body. Along the way, I got to meet and know some wonderful people who taught me about the body and how to make a structured water. Plumbing on this planet needs to change because the energetics and conductance of light within this water around the world has deteriorated to the point Mother Nature cannot purify its water as fast as man is consuming or degrading it. Mother Nature is getting sick mainly because of the water. Cure the water, cure the host. Mankind must now learn to cure the water by increasing the conductance of light in the water, and only then can we cure the host, for everything that's alive is biologically water. And every measurement of life's energy is dependent on how quickly this light moves in water. Like Einstein's theory of energy, it is the speed of light that moves the mass that equals the energy, E equals mc squared. Let us all pray we can increase the light energy within ourselves, and the life we touch as God's light is amplified as we as a society performs God's will of creating heaven here.